Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Microsoft Teams. For that, let's just go and open our account and tap on use another account, and there you need to enter your email address and then tap on next button and tap on create a new account. It might take few seconds to load, and after that it will send you a verification code on your Gmail. Just go and check it out. This is our verification code. Simply copy it and paste it on your, and then you'll have to enter your region or your country and then your date of birth, and simply tap on next button. After that you need to enter your first name, and now you need to prove that you are human. You need to pass this test or something like that. You need to pass this thing, and after that it will start to load again, and it's taking a while, so I'll just tell you what to do, and after that your account will be created and you can simply go and join the meeting. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.